Stone age is over. You are not bound to stick to one software. This channel is full of Resolume, Arena and Avenue tutorial. Yet this doesn't mean that that's the only thing available in the market. There are few VJ softwares alternative to Resolume, Arena and Avenue available in the market, the premium ones, means which has a price tag. Each one with its own strength and features. Let's take a look. Arkaos Grand VJ, a powerful and a flexible VJ software that offers you advanced features such as real-time video and audio mixing, MIDI and DMX integration, and support for a wide range of media formats. Modulate, a real-time video composition and performance tool that features a flexible and intuitive interface, supports multiple layers and a wide range of effects and filters. vdmx, a versatile VJ software that offers real-time video and audio mixing, support for multiple cameras, live streaming and modular interface that allows you to customize and extend the software's functionalities. Touch Designer, a node-based visual programming environment that allows you to create interactive installations, video mapping and real-time graphics for performances and shows. A quick note, Touch Designer is free for creative people and artists who are not using it for any commercial purpose, so just dive it in. Madmapper, a video mapping software that allows you to project videos into surfaces and map it onto complex shapes and surfaces in real time with features like edge blending and warping. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to make videos into detail on any of the softwares I mentioned above. See you next time.